So you're looking to get approved for an American Express business loan. Let's break down exactly how it works and what you need to do. First off, Amex offers two main types of business financing: term loans and lines of credit. A term loan gives you a lump sum up front that you pay back with interest over a fixed period. A line of credit, on the other hand, lets you draw funds as needed, only paying interest on what you actually use. Who can actually qualify? The big one is that you generally need to be an existing American Express card member. Amex prioritizes people who already have a relationship with them. You'll also want a personal credit score of at least 660 or higher. The stronger your credit, the better your chances and your rates. When you're ready to apply, head over to American Express.com and navigate to the business loans section. You'll need to log in with your existing Amex account credentials. From there, the application will walk you through pre-qualification, which uses a soft pull on your credit. That means it won't ding your score just to check. If you move forward with a full application, that's when Amex does a hard pull, which will show up on your credit report and can temporarily lower your score by a few points. So only proceed when you're confident you have a strong application. What information will you need to have ready? Be prepared with your business financials, including annual revenue and how long your business has been operating. Amex will also want to see details about your existing business expenses and your personal financial picture. Here are my top tips for getting approved. First, maintain a strong relationship with American Express. If you already have an Amex card, keep it in good standing, pay on time, keep your utilization low, and use the card regularly. Amex looks at your history with them as a major factor in their decision. Second, make sure all the information on your application is accurate and consistent with what Amex already has on file for you. Approval isn't guaranteed, but if you're an existing card member with good credit and a solid business history, you've got a real shot. Thanks for watching.